Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Ciletti. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 2.15 from chapter number 2. The problem is simplify the following Boolean expressions or Boolean functions T1 and T2 to a minimum number of literals. It means we are given some inputs A, B and C. T1 and T2 are the related outputs. First of all, we have to find out the Boolean expression for T1. Then we have to find out the Boolean expression for T2. And after that, we have to find the minimum number of literals, or we have to minimize the number of literals. So here we can find the Boolean expression for T1 and T2 through Karnaugh map. But here is one shortcut through which you can easily find out the expression for T1 and T2. So T1 will consist of the Boolean functions with these 1, 1, 1 values, because all the other will be 0. So for this one, we have to see the respective inputs. A, B, C all are 0. So we can write the first term for T1 is 0, 0, 0. That means A bar, B bar, C bar. If it is 0, it will be complemented or bar, and if it is 1, then it will be as it is A, B or C. Okay, so it will be first one for this one, we will have A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. Plus, then for this second one, we have A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. Okay, then for the third one, we will have A bar, B, C bar plus A bar, B, C bar. Okay, so this is the expression for T1. Next, we have to find out T2. For T2, we have 0, 0, 0, then we have 5 number of ones. Okay, so we have to write these remaining inputs. Okay, so for this one, we will have A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C plus, for this one is done. For this one, we will have A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar plus, for this one, we will have A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C plus, for this one, we will have A, B, C bar. A, B, C bar. And for the last term, this one will have, for this last one will have A, B, C. A, B, C. Now the first part of the problem is complete. Okay, then we have to minimize these expressions or these Boolean functions T1 and T2 to a minimum number of literals. That is, we have to minimize this T1 and T2 to a minimum number of literals. T1 equal to A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar. We can rewrite it as A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar plus, if we add another A bar, B bar, C bar, the value will be same, because if we have two terms same, then we can cancel or omit one of them. So if we add another A bar, B bar, C bar, the results will be the same, because we already have A bar, B bar, C bar. So from this we can take A bar, B bar common, then we will get C bar plus C. Then we can take from these two terms, okay, A bar, C bar common, A bar, C bar common. Then we will get B plus B bar. So we know that C bar plus C is 1. Also B plus B bar is 1. So we can write it as A bar, B bar plus A bar, C bar. Further, we can minimize this expression as we can take A bar common, then we will get B bar plus C bar. So this is the minimized expression for T1. Now let us find the minimized expression or minimized Boolean function for T2. T2 equal to, so from these two terms, first term and the last term, if we take BC common, we will get A bar plus A. Then from these two terms, we can take A, B bar common. We'll get C bar plus C. If we add another A, B, C here, the result will be same. From these two terms, we can take A, B common and it will be C bar plus C. Here also we have A plus A bar is 1, C plus C bar is 1. Here also C plus C bar is 1. So we can rewrite it as BC plus AB bar plus AB. We can further minimize it BC plus. From these two terms we can take A common, we will get B bar plus B. Okay. So this is nothing but 1. So we can rewrite it as A plus BC. This is this one, this is this one. Okay. So this is the minimized expression for T2. So this is the solution of the problem 2.15. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.